What's up, everybody? Happy Sunday. Steph and myself will be training legs today. She's warming up in the background right now. I want to show you guys what we're going to be doing today. So we're going to be opening up with leg extensions. We got the new addition from Inspired Fitness. So really pumped to get into these today. After leg extensions, we'll be going to barbell squats. I think then we'll come back to this machine and we'll hit some lying leg curls, followed by some RDLs. Maybe we'll get into some box work today, but I definitely want to get back into here and do some heavy RDLs today. Steph's warming up. Let's have some fun.
It's all the same, some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, you won't take the blame, even when you are blue.
Okay, so leg extensions complete. We did the sequence of 20 reps with a 10-second break, 15 reps then with a 10-second break, and then 10 reps. And that would be one giant set. We did 3 rounds of those, about 2 to 3 minutes in between each giant set. And we really chased the pump on that. Lots of lactic acid, deep burns, excruciating at some points, but all for the better good. And now we're on to barbell squats. Rep range 10 to 12 here. I'm going a bit more narrow, quad focus. Steph is going a bit wider, glute hamstring focus. And yeah, we'll do 3 sets here, rep range 10 to 12, 3 to 4 minutes of a break in between each set.
Will you yodel again for me often, now that I know you do it so well?
This is the end.
It's all the same, some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. So come on, let me show you how.
Love